I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey we dey call Nigeria. Once again, me don come with breaking news, me don come with updates, me get report wey I need share give the general public. And the cocoa na about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State. Normally, we know say the Edo State governor in dey reply to critics. But now, let's say, don't turn a new leaf. Senator Monday Okpebholo, governor of Edo State, now don't come outside the yarn. Say the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, they currently grasp for air in the intensive care unit to be ICU. You know, they try yarn say the PDP for inside Edo State, they did for life support. Very soon now, they go buy complete. Governor Monday Okpebholo now they slam the leaders of the opposition party for inside Edo State, sake of say they desperately seek for relevance. And the governor they describe the PDP as a broken vehicle where they abandoned by its own driver. No be small matter like this, so my good people. May dem beg Governor Monday Okpebholo because this kind of talk now it reach to hurt the feelings of the People's Democratic Party. Now, if to say the talk e end for there, this informate to true for no sweet. But the Edo State governor, no pause there. No say for inside one statement wey dey issued by one countryman wey dey go by the name Fred, wey be the chief press secretary to Governor Monday Okpebholo. He called the yarn for inside his statement. Say the opposition don become a shadow of its own self. The opposition party don become a factionalized, internally battled and directless entity. Now, I believe say many Edo State people go dey wonder why the Edo State governor Kukuma come outside today come dey reply to the critics of the People's Democratic Party. No say normally Governor Monday Okpebholo no dey talk, he no dey reply to critics. But this time around, the governor attack against the opposition party na sake of the several condemnations of some of the activities of the governor for inside Edo State since he resumed office or since he enter office as Edo State governor. The People's Democratic Party now, everything wey the governor dey do, they go like one talk against am, they go like one talk negative, they go like one criticize, especially about the status of security for inside Edo State. Now, based on say insecurity palava now don become the number one headache for inside the state now. The People's Democratic Party kukuma use am as something they go use they hunt the Edo State governor and this in administration. But no more. The Edo State governor now don't refuse to dey silence while the People's Democratic Party they talk bad against his administration and his activities for inside Edo State. So now for inside the statement they issued by the chief press secretary to Governor Monday Okpebholo, come dey yarn. Say the People's Democratic Party, their latest antics, rather than winning them public sympathy, rather than the antics now to make country people come decide with them, the thing can go reinforce the obvious. Edo State People's Democratic Party is in intensive care unit to be ICU. They grasp for air, and rather than battling for survival, their leadership they waste their oxygen on unproductive tantrums. The People's Democratic Party is not just a sick party on life support. They are also a party where they suffer from terminal politic irrelevance. The faction reading and scandal-invested remnants of what was once a ruling party now has been reduced to a collection of desperate voices clinging to lies, clinging to propaganda, and outright misinformation in a last-ditch effort to remain in public discourse. This my good people now the statement against the opposition party will be the People's Democratic Party. These men now just go down, decide to go all out. They just go down like this, decide to just diss the People's Democratic Party in one track. Normally, the PDP now never respond to this one. So, but I believe say if they hear them, they no go dey silent about the matter at all. So in other words, new banter between the People's Democratic Party and the All Progressive Congress could soon start again for inside Benin City, Edo State. No matter the matter, my good people, anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, still feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get updates, me still get reports for my table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, in celebration of the International Women's Day, the Edo State Office of the Special Advisor on Sustainable Development Goals, led by Ms. Saleh Suleiman, don unveil the Plant, Nurture, Eat Edo Girls Farm Project. Then speaking at the ceremony, Ms. Suleiman come dey yarn say the aim of the initiative na to equip young girls with practical agricultural skills and to instill values of patience, responsibility and self-sufficiency while contributing to food security and environmental sustainability for inside Edo State. She now come still dey yarn say the project dey aligned with the Edo State Shine Agenda, which according to her prioritizes agriculture as a key driver of economic transformation. So by engaging young girls now make dem enter farming, so the initiative no dey only foster youth empowerment, but e dey also support critical United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly zero hunger, quality education and gender equality. Dis project so wey be the Plant Nurture Eat project dey underscore the commitment of Edo State to foster sustainable agricultural practices while empowering the next generation of female leaders in agriculture business. And through dis initiative so, the Edo State dey seek to build a more food secure future while making sure that young girls are equipped with the skills and knowledge wey dem need to take thrive in the agricultural sector. All dis informate good people dey come directly from the mouth of Ms. Sally Suleiman. Now if we dey forget about critics, you understand? Now if we say make we drop the critics, if we say make we put negativity aside, all dis initiatives so wey men dey make, all dis agricultural initiatives so wey organizations and the Edo State governor dey make for inside Edo State, e no go only bless Edo State people with farm produce, but e go still provide job opportunities. So e go good make men drop negativity, e go good make men drop critics and make dem support their governor wey be Monday Okpebholo, wey dey try do good for the Edo State people. Now even though there's a petition in the tribunal, even though matter dey court, dey challenge the victory of the All Progressive Congress candidate wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo on the governorship election, until the final judgment last come, make men now just quickly drop that one aside and make dem see how they go take put hands together to make sure say Edo State sweet for the general public. But however, good people, anyhow dis informate be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist. Na we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside dis our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like dis news and you go like to dey receive more, then try make you subscribe to dis channel and do well make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your way, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news, dey give your family and friends make dem too get updates on wetin dey sup for inside dis our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Reality latest dey come with more latest for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.